beautifuls, it's your girl Iamdevonanicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So I have our FABFITFUN mystery bags. I order these every time I get my quarterly box. So we have 4 bags that we're going to go through. I normally have a bath and body bundle, I have a home bundle, a skincare bundle, and a mystery bundle. So I'm not sure which any of these are, so I'm just going to pull a bag and we're just going to pull stuff out. I don't have any values, prices, or anything for none of these items. So we're just going to get started. So the first bag here, this must be the mystery bundle because it has mystery on the bottom. So that's the number for that bag. So let's pull this one out and see what we have. I'm going to go with the hair clips. Looks like we have here. And they're made by Summer and Rose hair clips. So let me show you these. So you got a big claw one. That's good if you got a lot of hair like me. Or and you also have the small ones here as well, the small claws. So yeah, hair clips. So let's see what the other item is in here. And let's open up the next big item and I'll do the small one last. We have, what is this called? This is a sticky note set. Okay, so it's made by Alice and Olivia. So this is what comes in it. You got a bunch of sticky notes, and this is good for people like me who work from home and I always be writing with stickies and grabbing stuff and writing stuff on a little sticky note. So this is nice. I like the black and white. It matches my office. So yeah, this is cute. And we got one more item in this mystery bag. So we have a Dr. B Lab product. This is the lash and serum, the lash and brow serum, I'm sorry, by Dr. B Lab. This is what it looks like outside of the packaging. So I'm assuming this probably helps your lashes and brows grow. But the writing is so tiny and I can barely read it. So I'm just going to save myself. And we all know what brow and lash serums do. So I'm going to say it helps your lashes grow. We're going to move on because there's too many other things to review. Okay? So that's mystery bag that we just unboxed there. So let's go to the next bag that's on the side of me here. And I'm assuming this might be bath. Yeah, the bath and body bundle maybe. Yeah, I would say the bath and body bundle. What you guys think? Yeah, I think it's the bath and body bundle. So the bath and body bundle is typically $24.99. So we have 3 things in here. Let me pull them out. So our first item is a pomade. I'm assuming that's how you pronounce the brand. This is a renewing hand serum. So that's nice. I'm sure it just moisturizes your skin and all of that lovely stuff. So pomade, I've never used this brand. I'm not familiar with them at all. But yeah, I can use a good hand serum. The next one is Aloe Glow System. This is their Superfruit Moisturizing Body Lotion. So this one is Amla Powered Clean Beauty. Vitamin C Rich Amla, nature's most powerful antioxidant, super berries used for millennia and Ayurvedic healing, illuminates and protects skin from environmental stresses, hydrate and de-stress muscles with this body cream made with this potent amica to relax muscles. That's interesting. So it relaxes your muscles as well. Interesting. Alright, so the last item we got in here is made by Nutra Ecos Castanaha. I don't know. Yeah, Castanaha. This is a body scrub. It's a pure exfoliator, and you can actually see what it looks like on the back because this is actually a clear backing with the product showing. You can see the little things mixed in, and this is just an exfoliator for your body. Is this, yeah, sealed. So yeah, so what you see on the back is pretty much what it is, and it says, I would say this is Castanaha. I've never heard of this product either. So this is a body scrub. I like body scrub, so that works for me. I'm not going to sit here too long practicing how to say the name because I'm going to be here all day. So let's just go to the next thing. So this one here, I'm assuming is the skincare bundle based on what it says down here. Skincare bundle is generally valued at $24.99. We have 3 products we have in here as well. The first one, we have a nose patch for fighting acne. And it's not like the spots. It's actually like a patch that goes across your entire nose. So this is supposed to... New contour designed to fit any nose. It absorbs secretions and gunk. Oh, so it pulls all the crap out that sits on top of your nose, all the clogged pores or something. And it says it's natural and gentle and protective formula. So yeah, that's what it looks like on the back, guys. Let me see if I can pull one out if they're not in a packaging or something. You get a couple. You get 10 of them in here too. Yeah, y'all can't probably really see. But yeah, it's made up like a butterfly going across your nose. And you just kind of put this on. It says on your clean face, put it on the nose area, and you can leave it on for 6 to 8 hours. So this is something good you can use overnight to kind of pull the gunk out your pores. That's not bad. And just peel it off when you're done with it. So that's pretty cool. So our next product, we have an anti-aging product by Mad Skincare, M-A-D. That is Mad Skincare. This is a youth transformation exfoliating serum. So it has 10% AHA in it. So it says professional strength, moisturizes, hydrates, and plumps, minimize fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, I'm at that age where I can use all my anti-aging stuff. So I can't wait to try that. Last item in the skincare bundle, we have a Tula product. This is Claycation. This is a detoxing and toning face mask stick. Oh, okay. I've never used that. I didn't even know they offered that. So yeah, this is what it looks like outside the packaging. I've had a face mask stick and I actually liked it before because you didn't get your fingers and stuff all gunky. You just kind of roll it on and put it everywhere you want to go without making a big mess. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. That is nice. So that was the 3 items that we got in the skincare bundle. So now we're going to move on to our final contestant here in the mystery bundle bag selection, which should be the home bundle. So let's go ahead and pull that one out. This one is valued at $24.99 as well for this one. So that's what I paid for this bundle. So let's start with the first item. The first item looks like we got some ice cube holders, if I'm looking at this correctly. It looked like ice cube holders to me. Let me quickly open this up to show you. Yes, you get a set of 3. Oh, it's 3 of them. So they have the little stay fresh thing in there, but they're all made up like little lemons, which is cute. So that's great. If you have a company over, you could kind of freeze these in advance and have little cute ice cubes to go in their drinks. So you get 3 silicone. They're 100% silicone fruit-shaped ice cube trays. And this is made by Chic and Tonic. So they're a familiar brand in the box. So yeah, these are your ice cube trays. And let's go to the next thing that we have. This is a big thing. Okay, what is this one? This is made by Business and Pleasure Company. Does it say? Oh, it's a holiday cooler. Okay, let's open this up. We need something to travel all our stuff with, either to the park or to the beach. It is that time of year for our cooler. So let's see what this one looks like. Okay. Oh, it has a strap on it so you can carry it. That's good. And this is what our cooler looks like. If it's not all flat now. But it's kind of flat. So you could put a few things in here. Let me open it up. So yeah, you can put a decent amount of things in here. I would say going to the beach, your snacks. Maybe some drinks. Yeah, it's deep enough to put some cans of soda and stuff in here. Yeah, so this is neat. Do they got any information on here? Pack pre-chilled items. Use The ice pack, keep it in the shade to help maintain the internal temperature. Keep it zipped when in use. So yeah, you got like a nice little cooler bag. And it does have an adjustable strap as well. So yeah, this strap can be adjusted. Can make it longer. So you can carry this. But yeah, that's nice. Nice cooler bag. Or if you somebody that eat a lot and you need to take this to work, I guess that'll work for you too. If you taking if you like a nurse or something, you working a long shift. But to say you might need to take a couple of meals with you to work. This will work for that as well, I'm sure. But yeah, this is nice. Right on time for the summer. And let's see, there's one more item in this bag. We have, is this another laundry bag? That's what it looked like to me. This is Summer and Rose laundry basket. Yes, another laundry basket. Now, if y'all remember, I would say a few months ago I had another laundry basket. And I gave that one to my mom. Well, she requested that one. So, this looks like it's made up the same exact way. It is. Look. These are convenient, though, for, like, bringing loads of clothes to the washing machine. It has the little handles on the side. Yeah, I mean, you can use it. It's just a laundry basket. That's it. It's nice. You can use this at least. So, yeah. Just a laundry basket. Nothing glamorous. So, that is the home bundle and review. So, we had 3 things for this bundle. So, I think that the cooler is the thing I like the most. The laundry basket is nice too. And then we had the ice cube. So, wow, that was a lot of stuff that we just reviewed. But yeah, it's a mixed bag. So we got home stuff, we got some beauty stuff, office stuff, skincare stuff, all kind of skincare stuff. Exfoliators, hand serum, body lotion, face mask, another serum, nose strips, ice cube trays, a laundry basket, and a cooler. So that was everything that was in all of my mystery bags. If any of you guys picked these bags up, let me know if you guys got anything different in your mystery bags, or if you got some of the same products, because I know from the numbers on the bag you can sometimes have some of the same stuff. So yeah, I'm just curious to see what everybody else got. But yeah, that was the mystery bags for FABFITFUN for the summer 2024. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love showing you guys what I'm picking up in my subscription boxes, as well as what I'm buying as well. If that is something that you're into, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I post next. But guys, until the next video, you guys have an awesome day. Bye.